We remodeled our whole kitchen and really kept with a clean, modern vibe. So when it came to picking a faucet, this one really stood out to us just because of the design element, and then the functionality of it is amazing. I'm gonna show you the details up close. It's easy to use it one-handed, which I always think is good in a kitchen. So you have your sprayer mode, your single mode, and then this can go off or can go on, and there's a really good magnet there. So very easy to kind of line it right back up, or it can be just on its own. It's not gonna just go spray around your kitchen. So I love that. And then of course this can move as well. So lots of functionality there. And then hot, cold, however you set it up in your house with that. So just love the ease of it. We absolutely love it. And this is a pretty big sink, and I like how it can really, really reach all the way around. And then with the sprayer off, look at how far. Like this could go past our sink area. So if needed, like let's say you were bathing your dog or a baby or something like that in a sink area, like you have a lot of movement with the sprayer part. So we've been super, super happy with it. I just think it looks really, really nice in a kitchen. And whether you go with the combo we did, see, I even have some dishes to put away. It just makes your kitchen look amazing. So we love it. We've been really happy with it. High quality as well. This brand is known for being high quality, and that was something that we kept in mind. You can definitely get ones that look similar for less money, but at the end of the day, this is gonna last a lot longer, and you don't wanna be replacing it all the time. You want something that's gonna last you. So definitely recommend it. We're loving it, and I think you're gonna love it as well.